Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss 2 JEE PYQ of General Organic Chemistry. And the first question is, in this particular organic compound that is shown here in question 1, what is most stable and least stable carbon radicals after homolytic cleavage? And what do you mean by homolytic cleavage? That is meant that if we are we have this C double bond C. So if we are breaking this bond, then we should remember this thing, one electron and one electron both are shared. Means like in a bond there is always two electrons, and if we break a bond by homolysis, there should always be proper sharing of electrons between the two atoms. Okay, so here we can see it is asking which is most stable and which is least stable carbon radicals. So in this question you can see this is sp hybridized carbon. Okay, and this sp hybridized carbon, if we break this bond, the radical will go on this sp hybridized carbon, and if that is why you know already that this sp hybridized carbon has highest percentage character, and that is why it is already more electronegative in nature, and you are putting that one electron at that center where there is deficiency of electrons, then it will unstabilize the radical, so it will be the least stable radical here. And here you can see, if we will write CH bond and break it, so there will be one radical here, and this radical will get stabilized by this pi bond. So there is resonance stabilization. In number 1, radical is on more electronegative atom, that is why least stable. In number 2, radical is in conjugation with the pi bond, so more stable. Okay, so the answer will be this. Okay, and 3 and 4, if we will break these bonds, this will be stabilized by hyperconjugation. So no matter whatever the thing is happening, resonance always predominates, and for this case also there will be radical on sp3 center, so it will be more stable than this. If we will be writing